understand this concept, like, so I think till here it is something wrong. So yeah, yes, so this line will be why this line. There is no line. Unmistakably they have written. But ratio estimate is given by R hat is equal to y bar upon x bar according to the formula. So what could be a y bar R hat into x bar. Now consider the covariance. Consider the covariance between R hat comma x bar. So R hat comma x bar is nothing but what? Expected value of R hat x bar minus expected value of R hat, because this is just formula for the covariance. I hope you are knowing expected value of x bar minus e of x into e of y. So covariance between x y, I guess a covariance between this formula you are already familiar with this, right? So many times you have gone through. What was that? Covariance between x y is nothing but what? Expected value of x y minus e of into e of. This formula you are already knowing. So based on that, one can write this. Now what is your r hat x bar y bar? It's nothing but what? Y bar. I will substitute y bar minus e of r hat as it is. Expected value x bar is nothing but capital X that we have put according to SR WR. Expected value of y bar is capital Y bar. The expected value of r hat. This is x. Now you can see you just pull out from x bar from here. तो x bar यहाँ से निकालेंगे तो क्या होगा? Y bar upon x bar minus e of x bar. Sorry, e of r hat. Reshuffle it properly. Expected value of r hat यहाँ पे लिखा minus x bar y bar upon x bar यहाँ पे लिखा. This will be same. Now this quantity, you know this capital R. This will be as it is. But what you are knowing about these quantities? Say, now you divided by x bar with minus sign. You may get x bar upon r. But what is this quantity? It is nothing but bias of r, and your left hand side is minus covariance between x bar and y bar upon standard. So this is something like formula when we are interested to obtain bias. One can always use this formula, which is the covariance between r hat x bar upon capital X bar, which is same as what? Expected value of small x bar. This capital uh, X bar is equivalent to your expected value of small x bar. You can use it that also. This is small, I can say, theorem on that expected value. Yes, any question here? Yes, any question? Let me know if you have any query. Yes. Yes, bolo. No question.
No, sir.
So let's move ahead with the variance part. So once we obtain the covariance, okay, we have checked for the expected value, we check for the biasness. Now we go for the covariance variance part. So there is one theorem in case of a simple random sampling without replacement. So now we are discussing about without replacement for large small n and approximately to the variance of R head is given by this one. So if we are assuming the SRS without replacement and we are assuming that this small sample, then approximation to your variance of R head is given by this form. तो आपका जो वेरिएंस आएगा आपको क्या मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा something but 1 minus f upon n x bar square the summation yi minus r xi का whole square upon n minus according to the simple random sampling without replacement. So as we know that the ratio estimate of the population ratio is given by this formula, right? Estimates of the ratio is given by this one. When I say estimate, I use small. So what could be difference of r hat minus r, that you are already knowing, y bar minus y bar upon x bar minus r, which is same as what? Just do the cross multiplication. Y bar minus r times x bar upon x bar. Say this is 1 and say this is 2. Okay. Now what we do? Now since xi and yi are variable, xi and yi are the variable, the variance of ratio of two variables is not easy to compute. See, if I'm saying if we have two variable xi and yi, okay, if I'm saying you can find out variance of x, it can easy to find. But if I ask you to find out variance of x upon y, variance of x upon y, then it is easy. It is not very easy to calculate the variance of x upon y. Okay, so what happens if n is very large? If n is very large, the sample mean x bar should not be different from the population. अगर मेरा n बहुत ही लार्ज हो जाएगा तो मैं जो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ y बार रहेगा वो पॉपुलेशन मीन के बराबर रहेगा. दिस रिजल्ट वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. So what we do, we replace x bar in the estimator in equation 2 by capital X bar. तो क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, ध्यान से देखो. So the denominator of this equation 2, wherever only in denominator, only in the denominator it is small x bar. That is we replacing by capital X bar, because when capital when the small n is large, then the difference between small x bar and capital X bar, there will be no difference, right? So one may replace this by their expected value. Hence, the equation to become r hat minus r is nothing but y bar minus r times x bar upon capital X. Say this is 3. So this is the very conceptual thing which you have to just understand. And once it is done, the expectation on both the sides of the equation 3. Therefore, expected value of r hat minus r is nothing but we can just apply the expectation both the sides. So I think it is then it is simple. So if the expectation both the sides, I know this is constant. X bar get pull out. The expected value of y bar minus r time expected value of x bar. This is capital Y bar, this is capital X bar. And I know R hat is nothing but y bar upon capital X bar. So you can see x bar get cancelled. Y bar minus y bar become 0. So I may get this become 0. Hence expected value of R hat is equal to R. Therefore R is unbiased estimator of R. So what we have proved that? We have proved that your estimate of ratio is unbiased estimator R. Are you getting? So this is the expression where one can able to show that ratio estimate is unbiased. And similarly, now you have to prove for variance. So you can see for the variance also it is considered to be same. Since x bar is a constant, you can pull out. So when I pull out, it's going to be square into variance of y bar minus r times x bar. Say this is 4. Now what you have to do, assume this quantity in terms of samples. ये samples का मतलब क्या है, yi minus r time xi. इसको हम लोग ui assume करेंगे. Okay, because to getting the variance for the variance of any quantity which is y bar, तो y bar का तो मतलब पहले तो मुझे yi जाना पड़ेगा, उसका मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा, उसका मुझे वेरिएंस निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट. बिकॉज गेटिंग y बार के लिए वी शुड गेट द मीन ऑफ दिस. द मीन के लिए यू शुड नो द yi. That's why I have defined this quantity by ui is equal to this quantity. And now you find out population mean of that quantity. The population mean मतलब u bar हो गया, which is nothing but 1 upon capital N summation of ui. But what is a ui? Ui is this one. Substitute here, right? Take summation both the sides. Means you just do the summation. Doing just simplification, I will say this is nothing but your capital Y bar, this is nothing but your small x bar minus r time. Again, if you just substitute this r here, this turns out to be 0. So we found that this u bar का mean, that means the u I, उसका हमने population में निकाला तो मुझे आंसर क्या मिल रहा है, 0 मिल रहा है. So u bar I am getting answer is 0. अब इसका हम लोग सैंपल में निकालेंगे. तो 1 अपॉन एन से करने का, तो 1 अपॉन एन से करेंगे तो क्या होगा, क्या चेंजेस होगा, दिख रहा है डिफरेंस कितना है इसमें, यहाँ पे स्मॉल है, यहाँ पे स्मॉल है, बाकी एज से दिस इज 7. तो इस पहले पॉपुलेशन में निकाला फिर सैंपल में निकाला. अभी क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर पॉपुलेशन यू आई, मींस पॉपुलेशन मीन ऑफ यू आई. अकॉर्डिंग टू फार्मूला, सिंस इट इज पॉपुलेशन मीन, सो द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी n minus summation ui minus u bar का होल स्क्वायर. आई नो दिस इज 0, तो ui का होल स्क्वायर, मतलब ये हो गया इक्वेशन नंबर 8. बट I know using SRSWOR the variance of a sample of UI is given by this formula. You know variance the formula under SRSWOR, right? So you can substitute here. You can this value you can substitute here. But this is using expression number 7 and 8. Okay? Because this is the 7 from where you got SU square, and from 7 in the sense that you found like 6 7, you can say u bar is 0. So u bar is 0 means I can say 6 7. You can use 6 instead of 7, you can use 6. And from 4, if I just substitute again r hat, तो r hat का फॉर्मूला क्या निकला मेरा अभी यहाँ से, वेरिएंस ऑफ r hat माइनस r, राइट. तो उसके हिसाब से फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा मेरा, ध्यान से देखो, 1 माइनस f अपॉन n इंटू एक्स बार, n into x bar into, this will be as it is, but x bar कहाँ से आया, from where did you get x bar? Yes, anyone?